नमस्कार प्यारे विद्यार्थियों। लास्ट टाइम वी वर find mean. Today we will find mode. It means हम आज जो अध्ययन करेंगे वो बहुलक ज्ञात करेंगे. Firstly, according to mean, one table given to you according to class interval and frequency. In this given question, your class interval 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120 and 120 to 140. It is your class interval and your frequency is 6, 8, 10, 12, 6, 5 and 3. According to this question, we will find mode. Firstly, according to mean, given horizontal table, make in vertical. When we find mode, no need to new column. यानी कि हमें मोड ज्ञात करते समय कोई भी नए कॉलम की जरूरत नहीं होती है. When we find mode, 6 elements are need to. One is F1, it means highest frequency of model class. Next, F0, it means frequency of the below of the model class, and F2, frequency of the class above the model class, and L equal to, it means lower limit of model class, and one is H, it means class interval of model class. 5 things for need when we find mode. So firstly, what is F1? F1 means highest frequency in given table. According to your question, highest frequency of your question 12. So here is F1, and before of F1 just F0, and after of F1 is F2. It is your 3 things, F1, F0 and F2. Lower limit of model class, it means just of F1 column your lower limit is 60, so you take it 60. Always value of L is front of the F1 frequency. Now H, your class interval range of your question 0 to 20. 20, how many gap? 20, so your class interval of model class is 20. Now what is the formula of mode? Denote by mode by Z equal to L plus यानी lower limit plus highest frequency of model class minus frequency of the class below the model class, and according to this 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiply H. It is your formula of find the mode. Putting the value according to these questions, your highest frequency F1 equal to 12, F0 equal to 10, F2 equal to 6 according to your given table, and value of L front of F1, your lower limit is 60, so write down 60, and class interval your 20. Put the value in this formula. Value of L is equal 60 plus value of F1 is 12 minus F0 10, 2 multiplication of 12 minus 10, F2 is 6, multiply 20. Now firstly we solve this 12 minus 10 2. Now it is firstly you do multiply of this 12 multiplied to 24. It is add all time. 10 minus 6, no, here is minus, here is minus. When is minus minus, always do plus. So 10 minus, no, minus 10 minus 6 minus 16. Multiply, what is the value of 20? H equal to 20. So now firstly 60 is as it is, plus 2 is 2 multiplied by 20, and 24 minus 8, 24 minus 16 equal to 8. So cut by 8, 45. Now 60 plus 5 equal to 65. It is your answer of given question of mode. Okay. Now today I am giving two questions, find the mode according to this pattern. Any query if you want to ask, please ask. Thanks.